Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. Today, I am with Kawasaki's 2002 ZRX1200R. I just got home from picking up this bike, and it is just in really nice shape. I've owned quite a few of the ZRXs over the years, and they are just a fantastic motorcycle. When this bike was introduced in 1999 as the ZRX1200, it was a retro bike at that point. And the crazy thing is, now we're more than 20 years later, it actually is a vintage bike. And so it's a kind of unique in that it was a retro bike meant to evoke the GPZs of the early 80s and the Eddie Lawson replicas of the early 80s. And it's just a neat machine. It's a mean machine. It's got basically the motor out of the ZX11. It has been detuned horsepower-wise, but it has been tuned for torque. And these things are torque monsters. They rip. And it's still got about 115 horse at the rear wheel. And so the performance is stout. Man, I'm just excited. I'm going to be doing some videos here on reviewing the bike. I'm going to do a video on how to service this bike. And I'm also going to do some comparos with some of my vintage bikes and maybe even some other newer bikes, depending on what I've got in the garage at the time. So I'm looking forward to that. Again, this thing is, it's not even fresh off the trailer. It is still on the trailer. I've had a bunch of these bikes and I absolutely love them. And this is just, we'll look over it. It's got good brake pads on it. The inspection is quite a few years out, but it's not something that the previous owner did on a regular basis. Fork seals look good, and it really is in nice condition. It does have the crash bars on here, the aftermarket crash bars, but other than that, it's really very stock looking. It also has the swing arm spools. Those are really nice for servicing the bike since it does not have a center stand. It's got a few stickers on it. It's got the uni stickers up front and this sticker that I'm going to pull off. But it also came with an exhaust, so I may do a video putting that on and seeing how that sounds. But what a clean, nice bike. I'm super excited. So stay tuned for more videos on this ZRX and lots more bikes. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. And until next time, enjoy the ride.
Uh-huh.